It's time to customize your look. Accent your lash line for a subtle look or apply to a full lash line with Wispies clusters. Each lash is knotted individually and applied on a comfortable, invisible band. Gently remove a cluster using your tweezers or an Ardell lash applicator. Now I'm going to dip my lash cluster into the adhesive. Naturally enhance your eyes by placing the clusters at the outer corner of your eyes for a little accent. You can put these clusters wherever you want to add length and dimension. For an even more Wispies effect, I'm going to apply Ardell's Wispies mascara. These lashes come in short and medium lengths, so you can experiment with creating dimension. But really, you can't go wrong with Ardell's oh so versatile clusters.